by 12 o'clock, nearly 12 o'clock, they just barged into my room. And there were like 9 men, male, female, tapos may camera. And then the woman called, then was looking for me. And then ang sabi niya, ang una niyang sinabi was that, to get my phone. Tapos Nicole is here, my assistant, because I requested from the chairman, si Chairman Chua, to request to give me a companion because I cannot stay here. I cannot sleep. Parang it's causing me so much anxiety and stress. So I requested, and kanina he allowed. This afternoon, he allowed. And then suddenly, they just come in the room kasi the door kasi here, it locks from the outside. So you cannot lock it back from the inside. They're free to come and go. So they just went inside, and then pinilit nila kami to turn over our phone to them. Tapos nung when they got our phones, ang sabi namin, what is
Are you still there?
this? We put out the light eh. Because they're
Papa.
all outside parang waiting. And then binasa niya sa akin. Tapos I got a copy and then nakita ko all the way sa baba. They're bringing me to the women's correctional and they're serving it in the middle of the night. And all 9 people. I'm just a small person. And they just, I mean, alam mo, I am a person. I went to the hearing in good faith. I came back from LA. I sat there, answered their questions for 9 hours. And I know they did not do anything that was contemptuous or contempt. But I did. I sat there and I listened to their order of contempt. I did an apology. And then, ang sabi po nila, I just have to do an MR. Ngayon, I did an MR, but they did not rule on it. And then suddenly, they have an order transferring me. When ang nauna naman na order ng final ng lawyers namin was an MR to lift that order of contempt because they said that was the procedure. If they were not able to rule on that, how were they able to come up with an order, you know, to transfer me to the women's correctional in the dead of the night? I mean, bakit ganun? Wala na bang rights yung mga tao? They just go to your room and then just get I really don't know. All I know is that I am not an accused of any crime. I am just a person detained here for 5 days until the hearing ng Monday. I have been trying to cooperate to the very best of my ability, so I do not understand why they just go to your room, get your phones, and then just tell you that they will move you to a women's correctional at 12 o'clock. Meron pa bang batas yan? Don't people get rights anymore? I am a person, and I'm trying to cooperate. But they just moved me there.